shit. Matter of fact, you assassinated. Cause I'm finna send him to come do it. Anybody wanna see young Jesus kill George Bush, shouting? Yo, crank that soldier girl. Soldier girl off in that hoe. Watch that crank and watch it roll. Why me crank that soldier girl, that Superman, that hoe, now watch me. Yo! Yeah, nigga, yeah! Get out my face! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Get out my face! Hey, yo, soldier girl, can I get a minute? Hey! Man in the inning, hey! Hey, soldier girl, hey, yeah, nigga, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Get out my face! Get out my face! I want my shit! I want my shit! I want my shit! I want my shit! Say, beat that ass! Beat that ass! I'ma beat your ass on that train! When y'all know my I'm finna do my thing. You thought I couldn't freestyle on you, boo? You owe everybody an apology for your shit, ho. You got 5 minutes to do it or it's over, bitch. Or I'ma ram through the White House and kick off in my shit. And you don't wanna take it there? I got a bunch of goon niggas that really finna take it there. It's over. This means war. I ain't squashing this shit, shawty. We finna go to war. Straight in the U.S. Hey, Jesus, baby, I got this bitch right here. Let's take the test. Somebody give me a phone, shawty. I ain't gonna need no phone. Shawty. I'ma kill her, shawty.
Shawty, chill, man. It's an old lady, man. Chill, man.
Old lady?
Yeah, man.
You know what this old lady calls me?
Man, chill with that crazy.
Chill!
Man.
I'ma chill, shawty.
For real, though.
I'ma go on and chill. Thank you. That's the best advice that I can take, shawty. Just chill. Till I get to Eli train station and how dare you jump up in my face anyway and say a goddamn thing to me about cussing out no old lady. You the same nigga I've been looking for that rape me. You the same nigga I've been looking for that rape me, shawty.
Chill out, cuz. No brain ain't working, bro. Chill out, cuz. Chill out, bro.
The same nigga from Glenwood. The same nigga. The same nigga from Glenwood. Fuck Glenwood. I can't hold out. Wait a minute. How? You got the right bitch. Hold up. Hold the fuck up, ho. You got the right bitch.
Man, Jamal, Jamal, chill, bro. Chill, bro, man. Jamal, chill, man, cuz.
Hey, you, come handle this shit.
Chill, yeah.
Come handle this shit. Where my ass at? Somebody get my hand so I can go. Somebody get my hand so I can go. Somebody get my hand so I can go. Did anybody see my hand?
Chill out, bro.
Did they hit me? I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. I'm pressing charge. What's your name? I'm pressing charge. 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 Where my do-rag at? It's on your head.